We're gonna talk a little bit about one of your areas of knowledge.
Yeah.
And that is Medicare.
Yep.
And there's changes.
Yep. Yeah, so some of the changes are good, some of the changes aren't. Some of them are what we would normally expect, and that's our first slide today. The Part B premium, what you pay monthly for your Part B physician's coverage, is going to increase. No big surprise there.
Right.
From $185 to somewhere around $200. So right now there's a projection, $206.50. Hasn't finalized yet, will sometime in the fourth quarter of the year.
Okay.
They'll put a definite number on that. It's usually pretty close. I expect it'll be something like that.
Let me ask you this, is that a locked-in number, or is it based on how much Social Security you receive?
So the answer to that is both. For most people, it's going to be a locked-in number. That's the standard premium most people will encounter. If you're higher income, there's what they call an IRMA increase. It's an income-adjusted rate adjustment, or in something to that order. But basically, they'll charge you more for your baseline Medicare if your income is over certain thresholds. They put in a Medicare prescription payment plan in past years. That's basically where you take the cost of your medicine for the year, and I hate to use the word finance it, but they break it out into payments, so you make a monthly payment instead of getting that sticker shock all at once when you go pick up. Yeah. So one way you can kind of help with your finances, if you have somebody that understands the program to help you understand it better.
People want to talk to you. How do they do that?
Well, they can give us a ring here at the Resource Center, and we're going to use the 882-1800 number for the insurance side of what I do. So, give me a ring. It's real important that you talk to somebody this time of year. Some companies are dropping benefits, networks are changing, formularies change every year. What you had going in 2025 may not be the best option for 2026. Real important you talk to somebody. Starting October 15th, I'm free, would love to meet with you.
There you are. You can give them a call right here at the Resource Center. Back to you guys.
All right, thanks so much, Tom.